Let's continue our mindset series today, looking at what you tell yourself about yourself. What does your self talk sound like when you're talking to yourself? Do you tell yourself that you're worthy, that you deserve everything in life? Or do you have those limiting thoughts? You're wondering why you don't have the fulfillment and the different things in life that really bring you joy. That's a mindset trick that you need to break and get yourself out of that limited thinking, those borders and boundaries that are truly keeping you from living. I know these are things that we hear all the time. This is not new news. The most important part of it is the realization and understanding that it can be changed. There's nothing stopping you from changing that except you. There's a level of belief, a level of commitment, and more importantly, a level of practice that you need to get into to help transform and change your own perceptions, your own beliefs in yourself. So let's go out, let's make that happen. And that's what the coaching program is all about, as well as some of the tips and things that you'll find in my new book, Choose to Master, Connect, and Thrive. Looking forward to going with you on this journey. See you in the next video.